In this video, I'm going to show you what you need to install before commencing with your PHP code. Now we're going to install WampServer. WampServer is a free open source software that allows you to create a local server environment on your Windows computer. This comes with Apache Server that hosts and serves web page application and services, MySQL that store, manage your data, PHP scripts, and PHP admin, and also a text editor. We need a text editor like VSCode, brackets, and other. So we start by searching WampServer. Yeah, and click on the scroll down. My system is 64 bits. If you just start at 2 bits, you can click on that. But I'll click on this because there we go. Download. I have downloaded mine already, so I'll just go ahead by clicking on it. Yeah, so you select English. Accept the agreement. If you like, you read the terms. Next, next, and next. XAMPP is just a local host, just like the web host. It's a local host that allows you to run almost all what you need to do, or what you do on your web server. You can find your PHP admin on your web server when you buy your domain and all this. Well, WAMP allows you to do that offline without the internet. This procedure will take few minutes. There we go through. Next. Now we're going to download the VS Code, which is Visual Studio Code. It's a text editor. Those are the two applications we need to begin writing PHP code. So you click on that. When you click on that, you click on download and here if you're using a Windows laptop like me, click on the window. And if you're using Debian, Ubuntu, Linux, you select the ones there, and using a Mac, you select the Mac. I have downloaded VS Code for my Windows 10, so I'll just go ahead and click and accept agreement. Next. We proceed to install. Now we're through the VS Code installation. Now we can begin to write our PHP code. You can see there on our desktop, we have Visual Studio Code and the WampServer. In the next video, I'll show you